We still have a lot of macaroons to make, my darlings. This is our biggest order ever.
We're lucky you're here to help us, sweetie.
Glad to do it, Mom.
Hi, Mr. and Mrs. Dupen Chang. Hey, Marinette. You'll never guess who I just ran into on my way here. Adrian! He told me that he's going to the movies this afternoon.
No way! I have to go too and... Oh, wait. I can't. I have to stay here and help my parents.
But girl, this is your chance to be with Adrian. You've got to get going.
I know, but I can't. My parents need me here.
All right. Then I'll help you guys. This way you'll finish early and you can go meet Adrian.
Oh, that's really sweet of you, Alia, but even with your help, I don't think I'll make it in time.
Don't worry, girl. I have an idea.
Everything smells so good! No wonder the client ordered so many macaroons, right, Julika?
Yeah, they're great.
I know! Hey, do you guys think we could make some heart-shaped ones? That would be so romantic!
Sorry, Rose. These macaroons all have to look the same for our customer. But don't worry, I'll make a special heart-shaped batch for Valentine's Day.
I told you, girl, with Rose and Julika's help, we'll be done in no time.
Thank you so much for your help, Alia. You're the best BFF ever!
That's the last one. We're done.
And it's all thanks to you, Supergirls.
Hi, everyone. What are you all doing here?
Helping out. And what are you guys doing here?
We wanted to grab a bite before going to the movies. What would you recommend, Marinette?
I don't know.
Listen, girls, as a thank you for your precious help today, we'd like to buy you all tickets to go to the movies with your friends.
And as for your snacks, I'd recommend these delicious macaroons. I heard they were baked by a bunch of Supergirls.
Awesome!
Thanks, Mr. and Mrs. Dupan Chang.